Empower your life with these 10 master affirmations.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast, I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, you know that everything is energy. You are energy. I'm energy. The things you desire out of life are energy. As a matter of fact, you'd be hard-pressed to prove that matter even exists. Everything is energy. So when you have a thought, that thought is energy. Negative thoughts tend to attract negative things. Likes attract likes. Positive thoughts, optimistic thoughts, resourceful thoughts tend to attract positive things. Again, likes attract likes. Now, when you take that thought and you reduce it to a word, you are optimizing and maximizing the energy. So it's no longer a thought, it's been reduced to a word. And therefore, it's almost like, well, think of it this way. Think of a thought as a hunk of metal, and think of a word as a sharp sword. In other words, everything has been reduced down to a crisp, clear point. Words are extraordinarily powerful. And so the use of words are very powerful in manifesting what you desire. What I'm trying to tell you, listen to me now, very important, you can literally speak your desires into existence. You can speak the relationship you crave into existence. You can speak the money you desire and deserve into existence. You can speak the health that you depend upon into existence. Now, the next point is the subconscious mind. Your subconscious is like an innocent child. It's non-judgmental. It just goes with whatever you give it. You know, a child doesn't know whether something is good for it or bad for it. It depends on the judgment of the parents to help make that decision. You have to make judgments for your subconscious mind. The one thing that you need to guard more than anything is your subconscious mind. Why? Because your subconscious mind is always listening. It's always listening. And so if you are using words, if you are using language, if you are thinking thoughts, if you are feeling emotions that are contrary to your goals and your dreams, your subconscious mind is picking that up. It doesn't know the difference between reality and fiction. It's picking it up. And here's the big point that a lot of people they just won't tell you because they don't understand this. Your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential. How do you connect to the infinite field of potential? Through your feelings, which charge up your subconscious mind. Through your thoughts, which enter your subconscious mind, through the words you use, which help organize and focus your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. And so, whatever you are saying, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are feeling is entering your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential or the universe. It's how you co-create. You don't co-create through your conscious mind. There are all kinds of people saying all kinds of stuff with their conscious mind. You only have to read the comments on my YouTube page. You'll have people just saying, I deserve this, I want this, this is, and those are just words. It has to become part of a reality that the subconscious mind holds. You can't just say it. You've got to feel it. You can't just think it. Listen to me now. You can't just think it. You've got to say it. You've got to speak it into existence. Speak it into an emotional state. Speak it into your subconscious mind. And once it's in your subconscious mind, and it's believed by your subconscious mind, and it's part of your new belief system, which lives in your subconscious mind, you are now connecting to the universe in a different way. You're putting out a different message. You're putting out a different vibration. And the result is very simple. You're getting what you truly desire. Now, one powerful way of speaking your reality into existence and influencing your subconscious mind with new beliefs, a new reality, is through master affirmations. I'm going to share with you just 10. We're going to be sharing in the future 777. But right now, I'm sharing with you 10. 10 of these master affirmations. Do them every day, but it's not good enough to say them. No. You have to feel them. You have to let it matriculate into your subconscious mind so that a new signal is being sent out to the universe, and the universe begins to match you. You can attract incredible wealth into your life. You can attract unstoppable love into your life. There is nothing beyond your boundaries or your limits. Now I'm going to take a deep breath. You take one with me, okay? There we go. That feels good. Okay, here we go. I'm going to share with you these 10 master affirmations. I want you to write them down. I want you to listen to this several times. I'm not going to post them like I normally would do because I want you to take the time to write it out by hand. Don't type it. Write it out and then transfer it to a 3x5 card. I want you to memorize these affirmations, to use them on a regular basis. I do my affirmations every single day in the shower. And, I like it because I'm emotional. I'm worked up. I'm pumped up. I'm excited about the day. I'm fired up. I'm rocking and rolling, cleaning, and doing affirmations at the same time. I like doing my affirmations while looking in the mirror, but I also like doing them while falling asleep at night. I'm going to have a special audio program for you in the very near future on affirmations. And that audio program is going to be a game changer for you. I'll let you know when it is ready. I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. This affirmation was actually created by Ben Franklin. It is a powerful affirmation. I am healthy. Take a deep breath. Wealthy and wise. Everything you need is in this one affirmation. But let's get on to the next one. Money flows into my life effortlessly and easily. Money flows into my life effortlessly and easily. Doesn't that feel good to know that abundance and money are flowing so easily and so effortlessly into your life? You don't have to struggle. You don't have to fight for it. You don't have to arm wrestle the universe for it. All you have to do is say that affirmation. Emotionalize it. Feel it. Believe it. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. Number 4, money comes to me in ever-increasing amounts daily. Money comes to me in ever-increasing amounts daily. Oh yeah, daily. Number 5, abundance is drawn to me and those I love. Abundance is drawn to me and those I love. Number 6, I am master of my purpose and my goals. I am master of my purpose and my goals. Number 7, money is easy for me to attract. Money is easy. I like to feel kind of loose. Money is easy for me to attract. It's easy. I was talking with a client yesterday who's very, very wealthy. He's made a lot of money. And he said, Robert, money's easy for me to make. And when he said that, I realized he was essentially saying this affirmation, but he didn't hear it from me. He's always believed it. Number 8, I love the vibration of money. Money's vibration. Money's energy. I love the vibration of money. Number 9, I know who I am and where I'm going. Oh, yes. I know who I am and where I'm going. Number 10, I am grateful for the wealth and abundance in my life. I am grateful for the wealth and abundance in my life. There you have it, high flyers. 10 powerful master affirmations. Take the time to write them down. Put them on 3x5 cards or on a piece of paper. I have mine laminated, and they're actually in my shower. And do them every day. And don't ask me how many times. Do them as often as you feel inspired to do them. I love doing affirmation. I'll take one affirmation someday, and I'll just do it all day long. Just one. And I will just emotionalize that affirmation all day long. You have no limits. You have no boundaries. Unlimited prosperity and joy is yours for the speaking. You have a wonderful day now because you absolutely deserve it. And thank you so much for subscribing on YouTube and clicking the bell icon.